Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. Today I'm going to show you how cool it is to use ready-made products, because in many cases we as florists have the tendency to make it difficult for ourselves, and of course a lot of products are already available. So I'm going to show something with this bouquet holder. I'm going to start off with this material. I'm just going to cut a few pieces. What I'm then going to do is use some hot glue. Give it a little bit of hot glue, not too much. And I'm just going to add it onto the holder. So this is ready. I'm going to add a little bit more material. We have this beautiful moss. So then already we have a really nice base with a lot of textures and structure going on. We're going to finish off later with more materials, but first I'm going to make the bouquet. If we have these bouquet holders like this, they help us to create really quick and really easy. So once you think the bouquet is ready, of course we're going to tie it off. Then I'm going to add a few more details. I have these beautiful feathers, really nice. So I'm going through a little bit like waving. I'm going to take a few of the apple slices, they're dried, and I'm just going to put them on a stick. And of course, if your things are not stable enough, very simple, give it a little bit of glue, like that, then it's fixed. Just carefully put it in. Once the apple slices are in, you can see that we have a really beautiful rustic bouquet with a lot of textures and structures and movements. And I think a lot of customers would love something like this. So I hope you enjoy the inspiration. And of course, I hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.